Hi, my name is Emily Laborn, and today I'm going to share with you how to navigate on the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention website. This website can come in handy when you're experiencing symptoms of some sort of illness or disease. When you get to the homepage for the CDC, you will see a menu tab, a CDC A to Z tab, and a search tab. If you click on the menu tab, a drop-down menu will pop up with different tabs that bring you to important information regarding your health and wellness. For example, if you click on Healthy Living, this will bring you to many links that can guide you to how to stay healthy and live a healthy lifestyle. The next tab on the CDC website is the CDC A to Z tab. If I click on this tab, a bunch of letters will pop up. If I were to click on the letter A list of diseases, medical terminology, or illnesses will pop up. Say I want to know more about the influenza virus. I can go over to the letter I, click the letter I, scroll down all the way until I find influenza. If I click influenza, I can then see a list of prevention, symptoms and diagnosis, treatment, and flu activity and surveillance on this page. If I want to learn about a certain topic, I can go up to the search bar and type in what I would like to search. Say I wanted to search cold symptoms. If I search cold symptoms, a list of PDFs and links about the cold virus will pop up. If I go back up to the top of the page and click on the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, it will bring me back to the home page where I can navigate through the website. The CDC website is a very important website in the medical field because it gives the most up-to-date information regarding diseases and illnesses throughout the United States and internationally. Thank you for listening to my screencast, and I hope you have a great day.